Hello students, hope everyone is doing well. This video is to help you navigate the website Jstor, which is the website we're going to be using to look up sources for the essay part of the lesson plan that you had earlier today on the Harlem Renaissance. It's pretty easy to navigate. We're going to be looking for primary and secondary sources. Mainly secondary sources is what we're going to be using to write this paper. You've already had a good sense of primary sources that we've read in class, as well as the links that I've sent to you in Google Classroom. Today, we're going to be looking for three specific artists. I want you to look up the works of Langston Hughes, Zora Neale Hurston, and Helene Johnson. The reason why we're going to have you researching those three specific artists is because I want you to identify their works of literature, and I want you to see how they were able to create a literary style that affected the Harlem Renaissance and popular culture in the United States at the time of the 1920s. So we'll probably get started off by just typing in the Harlem Renaissance. This is actually the main page of Jstor here. If you click here, this is what you will see right when you get on it. If you go here, we could type in Harlem Renaissance. So as you can tell, 14,659 search results come up right off the bat. If you look here to the left, there are plenty of types of sources that we're looking for, like journals, books, pamphlets, etc. Most of them you can download, or you can't download because they are part of the website, so you're going to have to use them, save them, or cite them, maybe screenshot something specific that you need. If you're looking for stuff that's closer to the time, like let's say the Harlem Renaissance was in the 1920s and you want something from a historian that did his work in the 60s and 70s, you can type in, a time frame of work. And it narrows down, how much results are there, but it also helps you get to a time frame of what you may be looking for specifically. The most important thing that I want you guys to see is here off to the side. You can choose, what scopes those articles are coming from. So if you want to learn, a little bit about their personal life, there's biology. The most important thing we'll be looking for is history, of course. So if you want to go here, you type in history, it will narrow down what comes up, but not that much. There's still about 4,000 things that you can look through and try and find a source that you can use for your paper. But once again, you will use this website to look for the source. Once you find the source, take what you need, cite it. Very easy. This is pretty awesome. Here's a journal article. It was published by the University of the Chicago Press, which is a credible source. It's not too big. Seems that it was published in 1973, so that's a lot closer to the Harlem Renaissance than we are now. So please email me if you guys have any problems or if you get stuck on the website. I will be more than glad to help you guys. Thank you.